back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be my Boxy Luxe unboxing slash try on. And I'm finally getting this video to you guys because I'm finally getting the box. I would say I usually get my box around like the first week of the month or like the first week and a half. This is probably the longest I've waited for my BoxyCharm because we're almost to the end of the month and I'm just getting it. And I was pretty anxious to get this box because it is the Boxy Luxe. And I mean, I've been seeing everybody else's stuff like, oh, I got my box and everything they were getting was amazing. I was super excited to get mine and see the variations of certain things that I got, like the nail polish or the nail polish oil, the Morphe palettes, and the Cover FX palettes. So let's dive right in because this big ol' ass box is right here and I'm very excited to show you guys what I got. I personally really enjoy getting BoxyCharm. I feel like it's just a fun little surprise during the month. And yeah, let's open this right up. So we have the little card which fell out. This is La Vie en Rose, so that's the theme of this. This is such a cute little picture. I would actually put this on a little frame or something because it's something super cute. You can like decorate your makeup area or like your backdrop or background if you like those cute little things. So the first thing that came is this makeup bag, which is a rose gold holographic makeup bag, which I feel like fits everything perfectly and it's just a really good size. The price of this is $20 and they say it's a train case. I feel like I can never have enough of these. I have so many and I still am okay with getting more because I just feel like I can never have enough. Now let's start pulling out stuff. The first thing is this Wander Beauty Mask, and this is the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask, which I'm really excited because they created their own specific color for BoxyCharm, and it's like this really pretty like pinky color. I know it's a mask, I just wanted to show you guys the color because I thought it was really cute. So I'm excited to try this on my face because I love masks. I have so many and I feel like you can never have enough of those. The price for that mask is $34. I've heard of Wander Beauty, but I never tried out their products. The next thing is a lipstick, which I am wearing, and it's a Becca lipstick. And this retails for $24. This is in the color Petal. I mean, the color's pretty. It's not my cup of tea, like the style of it, a regular lipstick. I'm more of a liquid lipstick person, but the color's pretty and the formula, and now that I tried it, I mean, I tried it for you guys and I'm gonna give this to my mom because I know she will get way more use out of it than I will. I don't want it to go bad and just store it in a drawer, so I will just give it to her because she'll like it more than me. The next thing is Lily Lashes, which I'm excited and I'm happy for the style that I got. I saw a couple different styles people were getting. I'm excited I got this one, which is, what's the name of it? Gaia? I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. But these retail for, where is it at? $24.99. I've never tried these lashes, but I've heard nothing but great things about them. So I'm excited, especially the style I got, because sometimes I know you can get like the variations that you don't like, but I'm so happy with the whole box. I got everything that I wanted, like everything that I was hoping to get, well, except the lipstick, but I mean, I knew we were getting that, so I was okay with it. I got the Deborah Lippmann nail polish too. I know they were doing like a nail file and an oil. I'm so happy I got this. And this retails for $20. The color is actually really pretty, both of them. So I'm excited. Probably going to do my nails with this one after I'm done with this because it's a really cute color. And then we got the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream moisturizer. I was super excited for this because I mean, I know how much this retails for. It retails for $48 and I've tried it before and I really like it. So to get this big huge tub, I was super happy because I was already going to buy this. I know I love my, what's it called? It's right here. I just can't think of the name. My Ole Henriksen moisturizer, but this is another really good one that I like. It is pricey, but it's really good. And this tub is actually heavy, so yeah, got that. Then we got Moda brushes. You guys know I love Moda brushes. I actually have a coupon code with them if you guys would like to use it. If not, totally okay. I will link it down below though. This is my favorite set and the set you guys always see me use. It's their 3-piece bouquet set. This is a little fan brush which I like to use for highlighter. And then this is my favorite blush brush and my favorite powder brush. And you guys literally see me use this brush in all videos. And this time we got this duo from them. This is a perfect powder brush, or I would even use it as foundation, and this is a perfect brush to apply highlighter, or the next product that I'm going to show you guys, which is this Cover FX. I've never tried anything Cover FX, so I was excited for this. Did I tell you guys how much the brushes retail for? The brushes retail for $29.99, and this is what the little packaging looks like. Now the Cover FX retails for $45, and this is a Perfector face palette in light medium, which I got my right shade. My aunt actually got the same shade as me, and she's medium deep, which kind of sucks because it's a really good palette. I wish you would have gotten her shade correctly, but this palette is like the perfect everything all-inclusive palette. This is a perfect palette to take on trips, on vacations, you know, to travel, because it has a lot of things. It has a blush, it has a bronzer, it has 3 highlighters, and they're all equally as gorgeous and super pigmented. I mean, look at this glow. Look at the glow on my nose. The glow is just incredible. And then it has this finishing powder, which is really pretty. I didn't use it today, but I figured out now, because I didn't use the brushes on accident. I totally forgot to use the brushes in the demo. But this brush is perfect to use this finishing powder because you just dust it on so lightly. It does have a little bit of like sparkles. I know you guys can see them right there. And they just add a little touch of glow to the skin. Once you finish, you can see that little glowiness right there on the chin. So on days where you don't want to do your makeup all crazy, but you still want an added glow, this is a perfect powder to use. This is just like the perfect palette, and I've become obsessed with it on the first use because it's so good. I don't typically wear this much blush, but I feel like the color is beautiful for spring and summer. Oh, yes. So that's the Cover FX, and I think the last thing I have is the Morphe palette. Now this one, they had 4 variations, and I was like a little iffy on 2 of them. I was like, I hope I don't get those 2. And on the other 2, I was like, I really want those. I hope I get one of those. I got one of them, which is this one. I mean, you guys know my love for warm tone shades. Look at those colors. Look at this makeup look. So pretty. This is a Day Slayer 15D palette. I'm so happy with the one I got. This one retails for $16. Morphe shadows are super affordable. $16 for this palette I think is amazing. It's a really good deal. And I've always liked their eyeshadows. I have a couple of their palettes. I've liked all of them, and this one was definitely not the exception. I'm loving this palette.
Next level.
pretty impressed with everything that I got. Oh, I almost missed one thing. Here it is. The iconic London eyebrow cushion. I almost forgot about this, and this is $40. Honestly, I didn't use this today because I don't feel comfortable using it. I've never tried a product like this. I've tried other like cushion products, but that's like for the skin and it's a little bit easier to use. This is a little more difficult for me. I'll show you guys. The product is like in a little sponge in there, and I feel like I need to practice without makeup because I do not want to ruin my whole face makeup if I don't end up liking this. I mean, it's something new to me. It's a pretty cool concept, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, $40 seems like a little steep for an eyebrow product like this, in my opinion, but I still have to try it out and see if I like it. So I'll update you guys later in a favorites and fails. Maybe it becomes a fail at the end of the month, but I'm hoping it's not. So I'm definitely going to give it a fair shot and try it out. Really good. Overall, I was super pleased with everything I got. I think I am so excited to use a lot of these products. I did use them today for this makeup. As you can see, this palette is literally everything. Like this, hands down, I am so impressed with Cover FX that now I want to try now I want to try some more of their products because this left me speechless. So good. I'm so happy with the Morphe palette that I got, the Day Slayer 15D, and the brushes. I mean, I already love Moda brushes as it is. You guys can find their brushes on Walmart. If not, I will leave the link down below and my coupon code as well. But look at how pretty the colors. Color of everything is super cute. Everything we got, super pretty. I'm super impressed, and this has been, I think, one of the most successful Boxy Luxes or Boxy Charm boxes that I've gotten in a while. I feel like the first few months of this year were kind of like, so they kind of like made it up in the Boxy Luxe. I know not everybody gets a Boxy Luxe, but I'm glad I did because it was definitely worth it. It was definitely worth those other 2 months that were kind of like not as great as this month. So yeah, I will leave the link to Boxy Charm if you guys would like to sign up as well down below, so you guys can check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed the makeup demo, and this highlight blush, goodness, so good. I know I should have used the lashes, totally forgot, but I will use them for another look. I have a lot more tutorials coming for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, for all your support, and like always, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.